Hi there, I'm back again. I had to change my dial indicator. I couldn't get right down to the machine surface of the dovetail. It wouldn't come out far enough. The body of the dial indicator was heading on here. So all I can do is to tell you that without touching anything, without moving any axis, after placing this in the center T-slot, I can just tell you that I had to put up a single-faced dial indicator, and I've previously checked, and it appears that I'm about half a thou off center, which I'm surprised. I'm going to do a double check now. You see what I mean by the face being on just a single face dial indicator. I've somehow I have to get round there, and I'll show you how I do it. And I can just see the dial, and when I rock the dial, it's sitting at 1 thou minus of the 0. Okay, so what I'll do now is it's 1 thou off the 0 on the dial, so I'll just wind this back and twist it round 180 degrees and carefully wind it back on. Let me see if I can. You can see the dial. Okay. Well, there you go. See, so it looks like I was 1 thou minus on that side, and when I rock the needle at the same height of the z-axis and without moving dials on the table, it measures 3 thou plus on there. So I'm actually 2 thou off center. So I've got 3 thou on this side of the 0 and 1 thou on that side, which means that I'm 2 thou off center. Okay. Now I could adjust that by turning my y-axis, moving the axis, but I'm not going to bother. It's quite possible that in measuring this T-slot down here and winding the z-axis up higher, it's quite possible that the z-axis might be out. It could be out, I don't know. I haven't checked it now for a long time, and I'm not going to worry about it because it really doesn't matter. All I have to do is to machine these two faces so that they are equal around the z of the center of the T-slot, and it doesn't matter if these faces are out 2 thou. It doesn't matter anything because it's just visual. There's no adding something to these faces where it would be important, so I'm not going to bother. So now that I know, I'll run this down just to see that it's in line. And it looks like there's a little bit of deviation there. It's sitting at 0. Now it's gone to minus or in fact it'll be plus 1 plus 2, so you're looking at a run out of maybe over 6 or 8 inches. You're looking at 6 thou, which again is only 3 thou. So there you go. Not as good as I thought. Now it could be that no, that's not bad. There's a little bit of play there, but that's not bad. So it doesn't matter. The main thing is that if I take it off, take all the clamps off, that I'm going to put the edge clamps that I've been using. I just put one at each end just to hold it down, and the main thing is that I can take the clamps away and lift this out and do whatever is necessary, maybe drill some holes or something like that, and then I can put it back again and know that it's within 6 thou out on the parallel. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. It looks as though it's about the same from the center line here. It's plus down there and minus here, 3 thou. So that's 5 thou, so 8 thou. It doesn't matter. If it was important, I'd have to do something about it. But I'm not going to worry. Okay, calling off. Thanks for watching.